Hey you guys, today I am going to be showing you some of the best new beauty picks that I have picked out recently and share with y'all this really cute outfit. So I'm gonna take you through the whole thing from top to bottom. And as you know, I love to do when I do hauls, especially beauty hauls, I don't want to just show you the items, I really want to try them on with you. So we're going to create this really fun, sort of, I feel very on trend look with, I think the most perfect blue eyeliner. Y'all are going to flip. Like, I know that's kind of been a thing, is like blue eye makeup or blue eyeliner. This is such a wearable, fun way to do it. And really flattering. I really love it. So we're gonna go through all of the new things together. I'm gonna take you in there in a second and show you the whole look to kind of give you guys a little overview and tell you what we're gonna be doing first. Y'all, this dress, oh, I always love to be able to collaborate with Nordstrom to share with you guys videos like this when I shop and find amazing things. These are all things that I picked out, all things that I have, you know, as always decided to share with you guys, but I just always love when they want to collaborate. And it's just one of my favorite companies. So big thanks to them. But you guys, okay, so I gotta show you this dress. I am obsessed. I'm just gonna show you the details, but in a second we're gonna go in there and I'm gonna show you all of the shoe details. Y'all, do you see this? I know what you're thinking. I know, it's good, right? So affordable, such a good pair of shoes. I think the most perfect, like, mom shoes, but still very on trend. I just love to be able to like throw on something like this. You get the effect of a heel. I'll show you guys in a second. I'm gonna show you the whole look, but they're comfortable, especially if you've got a 3-year-old like I do, and wearing like your super cute stilettos, the ones that you might want to wear with something like this, like if you were going on a date. May not work on the daily when you're going somewhere like cutesy and you know you're taking your child and they like to escape. These are so great. They come in so many different colors. I can't wait to show you guys what they look like with this. But y'all, this dress, okay, let me just stand up again. Totally blown me away. I love it so much. Here's kind of details of like what it looks like up close. Let me show you the whole look. It feels like it has a lot going on, but it really doesn't. It's like simple, it's easy to wear, and it's just such a cool look. I love the sleeves. Like I said, they're super versatile. You can push them up or push them down. Such a fun outfit, so much fun for this time of year. This will definitely take you through summer and even into fall. Like, it's just one of those cool colors that I think just always works. All right, we're gonna get into so many fun new beauty things, but my beloved nail polish color that I always talk about, that was discontinued. I have not been able to find a dupe to. So I finally found the perfect one, and it is by Smith & Colt, and it is called Regret the Moon. And you guys definitely check this out. I love this nail polish brand. I've had a few of their colors over the years, and I'm just really impressed. I think it's super beautiful. Definitely check that out. I decided that I would pick up one of my old favorites. This is the NARS Porto Veneer Eye Paint. And this is that perfect color that I absolutely love, that actually was, I don't want to say it was unavailable, but I mean, I guess it was. I could not find it for the longest time. When you talk about like the perfect eye base, it's just thin. This stuff is like, it's not one of those cream eyeshadows that's going to dry out, because it feels like it has a little bit more of a slip to it, but then when you put it on, it's just the perfect like brightening base, but it sets. It's not gonna crease. It doesn't stay like creamy. Do you know what I mean? And so I grabbed this eyeshadow, which normally I might just put a powder over it. You could certainly do this over it. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what the color looks. See, it's already like, it's set. It's crazy. I just wanted to show you guys what the color looks like. This I would probably just put on alone, but it is the Jane Iredale Eye Sheer in Champagne Silk. You guys, okay. So I love products like this that are just easy, and it's just that perfect universal color. So I thought that was really fun, and I love something that I can just apply with my fingertips and just have it be no big deal. I love this. I grabbed from my Sweet Peach palette again. Okay, so all of those, the two colors, you don't have to use them together. You could use one or the other. You can just use the Jane Iredale. I would totally just use this by itself and just go. But if you wanted to add something on top of it, you could do, like, I'm gonna use this little color called Puree. Just such a basic, like, really pretty peach, which I think is just beautiful for the summertime. It has some darker toned colors. This is just one that I do like to reach for a lot. So you can put like a brown in the outer corner. It's just so easy, you guys. I used this brown, this little matte brown. That was the color that I was using, but so good, right? I mean, I'm not being super careful with it. You can pull it down a little. It's just the perfect palette. But yeah, so easy. And then before I finish my eyes, I'll show you guys this. I grabbed the Too Faced Sweethearts blush in Candy Glow. I love the packaging on these. And this is the one that is sort of, has that more like cool pinky color. And then it's got that pretty like pinky coral. And then like a real like peachy color. And I just kind of mixed them all together. And it's just a really sweet color. I got out of the habit of wearing blush. I don't really know why. I think I just didn't have any that I was super excited about, but I've really been loving that. Blue eyeliner has kind of become the thing. I have been looking for one over the past couple weeks. And so I saw this one and I thought it might actually be the best because it's waterproof. For a pencil liner, that's really great. I thought it would be pretty perfect. So with a look like this, with no eyeshadow and just, you know, mascara or with a really heavy eyeshadow, you can really do this with anything. I feel as long as the lid color is pretty neutral. So what I do, and this is in the color Fervent Blue, I put it right on my lower lash line. You can even put it in the waterline, but grab one like this that has a bit of a sheen to it and then kind of smudge it into the actual lashes. And this is such a perfect blue. It's so bright and beautiful, you guys. This has definitely become one of those trendy makeup looks, like doing the blue like this, but I love it. I think blue's so much fun. I don't really love doing a ton of like heavy blue eyeshadow. It's just a very fun look. And then when you do your upper lash line, I like to use just a regular black. So I grabbed this one, especially since I was already looking at Chanel stuff. I've never tried this, and I really, really love a lot of Chanel makeup stuff. This is the eyeliner pen in black. And I love it because it's like more of a marker, like felt tip. But I have worn it a couple times so far and it has really, really stayed put. And then I finish it with a ton of black mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'll be honest with you, I think that this blue is so versatile. I'm such a simple makeup person. Like I usually just skip eyeshadow, or I use like a cream product that's super easy, like those that I bought, or just a sweep of something really natural. And I think sometimes something like this blue would even be prettier with just no eyeshadow and, you know, mascara, or, you know, just keeping it very simple. Why not have a little fun? It's just so simple. It didn't require like crazy blending or anything. Just grab you a blue pencil. I strongly recommend this one. I love the formula of it, and the tone of it is perfect for that like blue trend that's happening right now. So really love that. With this lip gloss, the Lip Maximizer, like I said, sometimes I just use lip liner and put this on. But a lot of times I really like to use my lip balm, and I just cracked open a new one. I love the new packaging. I've had the this is the Sarah Hap lip slip, but I've had the Sarah Hap lip scrub and the lip mask and the Dream Slip, which is the nighttime version, all in this newer packaging. But my my last two that I had of the regular lip slip, of course, were in the older packaging. So love cracking open a new one of these. I just love this. This is what's on my lips 99% of the time. And you can blot the Dior off. It feels a little cooling, you know, still, but I usually just, you know, can just mix right over it. But the Dior makes your lips look a little younger, like it fills in those little fine lines and stuff, which that's what I really like that for. So yeah, you can totally blot it off if you wanted to, but if you're just gonna use a lip balm, I say just like mix it up. So you guys, I'm going to end this with a candle, and I told myself I was just gonna order one of these. These really caught my eye. They have like larger jars, which is what I originally had in my cart, and then I saw these that look like little macarons. They're so cute. It says it's a hand-poured cocoa wax candle, so I guess it has like coconut or something, but oh my gosh, y'all. This one is called Milk Rose, and it is so, so yummy. Most of the scents, most of the fragrances have something to do with rose. Like there was one that was called like Rose Petal Ice Cream, which I told myself if I liked this one, I would probably grab another one. But I think I'm going to use these on those shelves in Olivia's bathroom that we're getting redone. They're going to build like a tower on the countertop. And I think that would just be really cute. Just really loved the packaging, and it has like some rubber around it so like this won't fly off and break, which I think is really cool. But I'm gonna order a few of the other ones. This one I just thought was so beautiful, and the container is just like so nice. It looks like an antique or something. Some of the other scents, like the actual color is determined by the scent. So I think there was one that was like violet and it was kind of a lavender color, and then there was a really hot pink one and a really light pink one, but they all have like this beautiful iridescence to it. So definitely check this out. Kind of a cute little luxury. And I love that they came in smaller sizes like this. But this one called Milk Rose, you guys, is delicious. It's like exactly what it sounds like. It's a beautiful like rose scent, but it's really creamy and milky. Just so sweet, you know? Not as sharp as a typical like rose scent. So if you like rose, try the Milk Rose, and they come in all different sizes, and I will link to this. I haven't really burned it yet. The wax is like super, I always think that if you can do this on the wax and it's kind of oily and it just is kind of a sign of like good quality. I just love a candle that does that. So definitely check this out. So you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video today and trying out my new stuff. Definitely check out this dress. It comes in a top as well. So if you don't want to commit to the dress, I don't know why you wouldn't. It's really good. I really love it. Definitely try the top. It's in the same print and the same material, I believe. But yeah, really in love with this. I hope that you guys check it out. And love y'all so much. Thank you for spending the time with me today. As always, I love collaborating with Nordstrom. I love being able to do this and share with you guys some of my favorite things. It's one of my favorite places to shop, and I just always love bringing you videos like this. So thank you guys for watching. Love you so much, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.